state park I've been to. Have y'all been to state parks before?
Yeah.
Which one?
Tennessee.
That's not a state park.
The Smoky Mountain State Park.
That's a national park. Smoky Mountain's national park.
Yeah, that's the Nationals park. But you haven't been to Smoky.
Oh, the Florida one.
But you haven't been to...
Florida is
really cool.
Dang, guys, this is pretty.
But you haven't been deep into like a...
We've been to Weeki Wachee Spring State Park. That's a state park.
No, you can't even... You can't...
You said you've never been to a state park. That's a general statement.
Utica is a state park.
I know a little.
She said Weeki Wachee. Weeki Wachee is a little pond.
And ahí llegaron ando y hay una cochinada ahí en el window.
I mean... Hey, should we go to the visitor center?
I'm not gonna say another word.
Should we go visitor center? I'm confused.
Bro, I think we're the only cool pendejos acá. Está apagado así fácil.
Park
Maintenance.
Babe, maybe we could go to the visitor center.
No, but I don't see where the... Is this the visitor center? Because in this case, I'll just park here. Oh, but it says do not enter. Oh, shit.
Just keep going up. Try to see what's up there. That's
awesome! It's a little mountain.
That's what we did in LA. It was like that. And we just kept going up.
Niña.
Because why would we stand parked down there? I'll be an idiot.
No, it's not. It's just for information. That's all.
But okay, it will be cold up there usually. Well, I don't think it's too high.
We're rolling back. We're rolling back.
That was so great.
In 800 feet, turn left onto Lodge Lane.
The information center. Because I don't...
Solo métase donde dice do not enter, yeah.
In 800 feet, turn left.
Por eso, solo sigue ahí.
That's not the information center.
Then what is the address you put?
Here. But here's just to park. So we're here at the Starved Rock State Park. We're gonna take care of some trails.
I should have brought my other pen. Put it under.
We're all packed up and ready to go.
Me too. I should have put another pen.
So we're here. Now we have to take an important decision. Do we take right or do we take... No, it's over here. French Canyon or Wildcat? We're gonna do the Wildcat. We'll do the French Canyon in coming back. All right, so here's the first obstacle. They're called the witch stairs. No, I'm just like, they're just stairs. Oh no, it's a bridge. It's a bridge. Oh, really cool. Oh, this is so cool. Look, ooh, baby bottom jeans, be careful. Oh, this is so cool. Look. Look, it's frozen over there. Imagine this all flowing, like during summer. This is really cool. Oh, babe, be careful right here, Oos.
Jesus. It was great. Wait, did it get it? I didn't get it. Why is there sand? So random. No?
Oh, I thought I saw a jogger. I'm like, yeah, you're brave.
Hello. Yeah, Ooze, but I tripped and I busted my knees. Freaking her.
Yeah, that was not the... That's like, that's not snow, it's just ice. That's hard. Oh, you can take a really good photo right here. Like, look at the shadows.
Yeah.
Film producer. Like, look, this looks really nice right here, like that. The sun beaming, you got the shadows of the trees. It's slippery right here. Let's be careful. Safety first.
I would do it.
No, I'm not paying nobody to go down. And you know it's against the law to do that, to go off the trail. Ooh, be careful acá, por favor. Porque luego... Ay. Oh no, let's turn around. No, it was a joke, niña. Dangerous. Have you ever heard of Michael Jackson's Dangerous? Na 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 na, dangerous. This is probably flowing water, no? During the summer?
Yeah.
Right here. Because this is dangerous. Oh, hee hee. Na na na, dangerous. Alright, who's gonna go down there and take a picture from us? Look, this is the Pontiac Canyon. Learning with Gian. Oh, there's no barrier here? Oh, I'm sorry, Abby. A ver, la próxima víctima. Oh no. That is... That's Clay, George. Look, we're still at Pontiac Canyon. Woo. All I can say is que oso.
You have content there. You didn't even go out. I didn't put a content.
Not a content, bro. I didn't know you were gonna slip epically after you give out instructions on not how to fall. This builds character. That's what happens. This builds character. Uy, cuidado aquí en el bordecito. Alright, so we're going down here. I'm holding myself. You feel a little burn on the calves. We went ice skating for a good 4 seconds. Like I thought I was gonna get to the other side of this, just skating. Oh, that looks really cool. Oh, what do you say? Oh, we can actually go down there. Look. Look at that. Look at frozen.
What are they doing?
There, you can climb the. Well, I don't know if you can.
Yeah, you can climb it.
That's super cool. Imagine this in summer. I'm telling you, this is super
You
nice.
can't go down here though.
Yes, you can. They have. You
Yeah,
can.
but it's already on video.
Yeah, but you can cross and you can go in. I don't know if you can go in.
Yeah, you wouldn't.
Well, either way, that's a waterfall. So normally there would be water just going down there. And they're trying to climb the.
We stop and get it.
Imagine how cold it has to be for water to just freeze, like slowly freeze.
Actually slip. You matter. What people want to.
So like during the summer, spring, summer, the water's just flowing down here.
You can hear it.
You can hear it a little bit. That's really cool. So there's still water flowing.
Allá ya tiene una piedra.
Look, it goes down there and it goes all the way down here where it creates that waterfall. Something. Oh look, that's where they put their rope. Look, so they actually had to jump this, right? They jumped over here and they put that rope right there and then they threw it down and then I guess they went all around, right? I mean, they've been here really early then. Because you put that on, right?
No, que es quick. Solo de hacer la vuelta acá y va.
Bro, it's like all around right there.
Pero eso es quick.
How quick?
Usted puede bajar, ir ahí y seguir y después baja acá.
Okay, we're gonna record how long that takes.
You can leave it. I mean,
You see that? The rope is right there. And they were climbing just down there.
You can see the water a little bit from here.
Where?
There's a whole swimming right here. And you can see it. You see it?
Where?
You see those green
Oh
stuff?
yeah, I see it. It's like right here,
It's like flowing.
right here, like right there. Water is flowing. So it's like under the ice. So I guess I mean, I don't know too much the science of waterfalls and water itself, but it seems like water is still flowing.
I don't like how I opened this ski mask.
So right there it says register ice climbers only beyond this point. So I'm pretty sure they're registered and they can do that. Bobby, hold yourself good aquí, por favor.
A ver, así te cargo.
Yes, please. I don't want to fall.
You're not gonna fall. You're forward there.
Yeah, we'll all fall together.
Así como dominó.
Ooh, baby. Ay, cuidado. Cuidado porque la sentí, bro. Oh!
I wanted to try it. No, I'm good. I'm good.
I try to hold you.
I had to try it.
No, you're going to die.
Diving? Babe.
You fall. You're going to concussion.
I got see. Yeah.
Alright, so is this the part where you decide if you want to cross? It'll break, I think so. It definitely will break, right? Oh my, like, it's scary because you're like walking on ice.
Ese sí se daña.
Well, how do they get it over there?
Ese sí se daña ahí.
How do they get over there?
¿Qué? A ver, voy pues. Es porque tienen esa cosa de hielo. No.
Oh, you think like it doesn't like put pressure on it? Abby, look. Look, Abby's.
No, baby, eso mejor no.
No,
Ya, eso mete.
eso mete.
Ahí metí.
Oh, look, they're climbing right there. Look at that. Yeah, I am. Well, they weigh less. 1, 2, 3. Like, I'll do it. Hold it.
Guys, stay here, please. Don't
Please,
force me.
please. Don't be like that.
You got it.
There was se puede. Solo rápido. No, pero rápido. No lo pienses. Rápido.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
This has to go fast. No, rápido, Nick. Rápido. That will break eventually.
But Money said, I don't care.
Después 15 libras.
All right, we got close to it now. Good job, Wolves. Good job, everyone. Well, I want to be like those kids.
So we reserve the right to just let that stay as a natural element. So we
Oh, gotcha. Okay, thank you.
yeah. We always find this one, Ottawa, LaSalle, and Conti.
Okay.
But LaSalle's climbable, Wildcat's climbable, but Ottawa.
Look at that. He's up there. What'd you think?
Baby.
Pretty cool, right?
Yeah, it is.
We made it. It was like, oh, can we cross it? You can hear like the cracking of like, and maybe like a little bit of the melting of the ice. I mean, this is farm right there, but over here looks kind of. Look, that's cracked right there. Like if you apply good amount of pressure, that'll break. I guess around the edges. That's where. Imagine this, like I said, a waterfall. You can get this close to it. That's phenomenal. That's really cool. I'll come back over here.
Por acá, a ver si puedes.
So you,
Te doy 5 dólares.
I guess because they weigh so little, right?
Te tiras allá y después.
Because I stepped on that thing and that thing broke.
I know. They all keep stupid.
The azul, bro, is a daredevil.
I'm not leaving!
This is really cool. A ver, todos juntos.
Right here!
Oh shit.
Just go fast. Oh, that's hard. Over time, that's. Go on, go on. There we go. We did it.
Never mind, I don't make any.
Bluff Trail. Man, I don't know about that Bluff Trail. We'll figure it out. So we're about to eat up there. This is called the Bluff Trail. So it's a bluff. You think it's short, but then it becomes into a 10-mile trail. Laoi, she's so hungry. She's shivering of how hungry she is. Or maybe it's the cold. So we just walked that. We have a few more stairs. Nina, you can do it. It's super slippery. Be really careful.
Like walk planted.
No, I'm good now. Don't walk over there. Walk over here. Hi, Nikki the explorer. Nikki with the exploring wildlife with Nikki. So we just ate, but I couldn't really record because my hands were just frozen. Wait, no trail. They just make that really clear that that's not a trail. Wait a damn second. We have to go back? No. No.